In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dependency in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add the dependency column to a board so you can map which tasks need to happen before others. This is perfect for planning projects where one item can't start until a different item is finished, helping your team set realistic timelines and avoid bottlenecks. Start by opening the board where you manage your tasks. Make sure you're in a view that shows your item list and columns like the main table, so the next steps are easy to follow. If you work with a team, it's helpful to confirm you have permission to edit the board structure, since adding columns changes the board for everyone. Look to the far right of your columns and select the option to add a new column. This opens the column center, which is where Monday.com keeps all available column types. Adding the dependency column here will allow each task to reference other tasks on the same board. If you don't immediately see the option you need, choose the More Columns section to view the full gallery. This gives you access to advanced column types beyond the quick shortcuts, so you can find exactly what you're looking for without scrolling through unrelated options. Use the search bar and type dependency. You'll see the dependency column appear in the results. This column is designed to link one item to one or more other items that it depends on. In practical terms, it helps you indicate predecessors and successors, so it's clear which task must be completed first. Select Add to Board. The dependency column is now added to your board, ready to use. From here, you can open a cell in that column for any item and select the related items it depends on. Once those links are set, everyone can instantly understand the order of work, which tasks are waiting on others, and where delays might have a downstream impact. If your team uses timelines or due dates, dependencies make reviews far more meaningful because you can speak to the sequence, not just individual deadlines. As a quick tip, keep your item names clear and consistent so it's easy to pick the correct predecessors from the list. Also, review dependencies during planning meetings to ensure the order reflects reality, especially when multiple teams contribute to the same deliverable. That's it. You opened your board, added a new column, searched for dependency, and added it to your board so you can manage task relationships with confidence.